In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add week numbers to your calendar in Microsoft Outlook. This is a straightforward process that can make organizing your schedule a bit easier by providing a clear view of weeks in the Month View and Date Navigator. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to launch Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't got it open already, go ahead and locate its icon on your taskbar or access it through your list of programs. Once Outlook is up and running, you might be looking at your inbox or another default view, but our focus today is specifically on the calendar settings. Next, you'll want to navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will open up a menu with multiple options. Amongst these options, you'll find Options towards the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click on that. Now this will open a new window titled Outlook Options, full of various settings that you can tweak to tailor Outlook to your preferences. Once you're in the Outlook Options window, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see a vertical list of categories. From these categories, choose Calendar. You'll now find yourself in a section that allows you to customize all sorts of calendar functionalities. This is where it all comes together. Scroll down this page until you get to the section labeled Display Options. This section contains different checkboxes and settings that affect how your calendar is displayed. You'll want to look for an option that says Show Week Numbers in the Month View and in the Date Navigator. It might be unchecked by default, and this is the feature we need to enable. Click on the checkbox to tick it, confirming your choice. Remember, having week numbers visible can be incredibly useful for tracking projects, setting due dates, or simply keeping track of the calendar year. This small change can seamlessly integrate into your planning routine, helping you stay organized and ahead of deadlines. Once you've enabled this option, you're all set. Click OK to save your changes and close the Outlook Options window. With this, you have successfully added week numbers to your calendar view. Now, whenever you switch to your calendar in Outlook, you'll see those week numbers appear, making it easy to see where you are in the year at a glance. And that's it. You've completed this simple yet effective task that can improve your calendar management. If you found this guide useful, make sure to check back for more productivity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.